Welcome to Style and Space Studio. In today's video, we invite you to step inside a tiny guest house that reveals a hidden gem, a private courtyard garden where nature and tranquility blend seamlessly. Whether you're a fan of minimalist architecture, garden design, or smart small space living, this tour is packed with inspiring ideas. From sustainable materials to clever layout solutions, this tiny house offers much more than its compact footprint suggests. As we take you through each space, you'll discover how the natural surroundings aren't just part of the view. They're woven into the very soul of this dwelling. So, if you love cozy retreats with a nature-first aesthetic, you won't want to miss this. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Style and Space Studio to keep up with our latest videos on home design, interiors, and more tiny space inspirations. Let's begin this peaceful escape into smart design and secret garden serenity. This compact guest house is a masterclass in space planning and aesthetic balance. Despite its small footprint, the design feels generous and open thanks to an intelligent layout that prioritizes flow, light, and function. The interior is divided into distinct zones: a sleeping area, a compact kitchenette, and a cozy lounge, without ever feeling cramped. Built-in storage, multifunctional furniture, and light-colored finishes help maintain an airy ambience. The materials palette leans into the natural, warm wood accents, light stone surfaces, and soft, earthy textiles. Every inch is utilized thoughtfully, with large windows and sliding doors extending the space visually into the courtyard garden outside. The house doesn't just accommodate guests, it invites them to unwind, recharge, and feel grounded. Here, simplicity becomes luxury, proving that a small space, when designed with care and creativity, can feel as expansive and inviting as a much larger one. From the outside, the guest house exudes a humble elegance that harmonizes perfectly with its lush surroundings. Clad in natural wood and muted stone, the exterior design feels both timeless and organic. The path leading to the house winds gently through soft landscaping, grasses, small shrubs, and fragrant herbs, setting the tone for the experience within. A minimalist roofline and simple rectangular form ensure the house doesn't compete with the garden, but rather blends effortlessly into it. Soft lighting tucked under the eaves creates a gentle glow in the evening, while large glass doors provide a sneak peek of the cozy world inside. It's a design that respects both its natural setting and its human users, offering comfort and privacy in equal measure. The guest house feels like a secret cabin tucked into a garden sanctuary, proving that restraint in design often delivers the most stunning results. Inside, the guest house welcomes you with a palette that's as calm as it is cohesive. Natural light floods the open-plan interior, where neutral tones and raw textures dominate. The bed area is set against a soft wood-paneled wall, with crisp white linens and a woven throw inviting rest. A small reading nook hugs the corner near the window, framed by hanging plants and a cozy armchair. The kitchenette, though compact, is highly functional with sleek cabinetry, open shelving, and essential appliances tucked neatly away. A soft area rug defines the lounge zone, where a low sofa faces the garden, encouraging quiet mornings with a coffee and birdsong. Plants, ceramic vases, and framed botanical prints echo the greenery just beyond the glass. The interior is a celebration of stillness and simplicity, where every object is chosen not just for function, but to enhance a sense of peace and connection to nature. At the heart of this design lies a secret courtyard garden, a private, enclosed space that feels like a world of its own. Unlike a typical backyard, this courtyard is inward-facing, offering complete privacy and tranquility. Dense plantings of bamboo, ornamental grasses, and flowering vines form a lush green wall around the perimeter. In the center, a small stone fountain adds the calming sound of trickling water, drawing birds and butterflies into the space. A hammock stretches between two trees, while a reclaimed wood bench provides the perfect spot for afternoon reading. There's a clear sense of enclosure, yet the open sky above offers light and breeze, creating a balanced microclimate. Garden lights are subtly embedded among the plants, allowing the space to glow softly at night. The courtyard isn't just a view, it's an extension of the home's soul, encouraging reflection, relaxation, and an ever-present connection with the natural world. One of the standout features of this tiny guest house is its ability to blur the lines between inside and out. Large sliding doors open fully to the courtyard, creating a seamless flow that expands the sense of space dramatically. The interior flooring continues outside with similar tones and textures, making the transition feel completely natural. Furnishings are selected to work both indoors and in sheltered outdoor areas. Rattan chairs, teak tables, and soft neutral cushions that weather gracefully over time. A retractable canopy offers shade when needed, while the orientation of the building ensures maximum sunlight during cooler months and ample shading during summer. With every door and window strategically placed, cross-ventilation keeps the interior fresh and cool, minimizing the need for artificial cooling. This connection to the outdoors isn't just visual, it's physical, emotional, and seasonal, enhancing the everyday experience of being present in a beautiful and functional space. Sustainability is woven into every layer of this guest house's design, making it not just beautiful, but also responsible. Solar panels on the roof provide energy for lighting, hot water, and essential appliances. Rainwater is collected from the roof into discrete barrels that feed the garden's irrigation system. The choice of materials, locally sourced timber, recycled stone, and natural clay plaster, minimizes environmental impact while adding depth and texture to the design. The home is well insulated, with high-performance windows that maintain interior temperatures year-round. Even the landscaping is eco-conscious, favoring native plants that require minimal watering and attract pollinators. Lighting is low voltage and strategically placed, reducing energy use while enhancing ambience. Composting and waste separation are also part of the daily rhythm here. This guest house demonstrates that you don't have to sacrifice comfort or style to live sustainably. It's all about making conscious choices that respect the environment and elevate everyday living. Despite its small footprint, the guest house doesn't skimp on comfort or luxury. The sleeping area features a premium mattress, layered linens, and blackout curtains for optimal rest. The bathroom offers spa-like amenities, a rain shower head, natural stone tiles, and underfloor heating. A skylight above the shower brings in soft daylight while maintaining privacy. In the kitchenette, quality materials like quartz countertops and brushed metal fixtures enhance the aesthetic without overwhelming the space. There's even a compact desk with views of the garden, making remote work feel like a retreat. Smart storage solutions, like underbed drawers and floating shelves, keep the space clutter-free. Every detail feels thoughtful, from the softly glowing reading lights to the scent of essential oils diffused in the air. This guest house is proof that small doesn't mean basic. With the right touches, even the tiniest space can deliver a 5-star experience. What makes this guest house so special is how it inspires design beyond its walls. Homeowners visiting this retreat often return home with new ideas for their own spaces, whether it's creating a mini courtyard in an unused backyard corner or introducing sliding doors to bring in more light. The focus on natural materials, sustainable features, and open flow between indoors and out can be replicated at many scales. Even a city apartment can benefit from touches inspired by this home. A few potted plants, rattan textures, or a small water feature on a balcony. It's not about copying the exact structure, but embracing the principles that make it successful: simplicity, intentionality, and harmony with nature. This guest house becomes more than a place to stay. It's a philosophy of living well with less, finding joy in quiet moments, and designing spaces that reflect who we are and how we want to feel. As our tour comes to a close, it's clear that this tiny guest house offers far more than meets the eye. Tucked away in a private courtyard garden, it's a place where good design meets quiet reflection, where sustainability and serenity coexist in perfect balance. Every element, from the thoughtful interior layout to the immersive garden experience, invites you to slow down and reconnect with yourself, with nature, and with the joys of simple living. Whether you're dreaming of building your own retreat or just seeking inspiration for your current home, we hope this tour has sparked new ideas and possibilities. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment to share your favorite feature, and subscribe to Style&Space Studio for more beautifully curated home design content. Until next time, may your spaces be peaceful, purposeful, and full of style.